Server admins hate this one automation trick. Changes everything. Your servers are working against you. Right now. While you sleep. Memory leaks are building up. Log files are exploding. Disk space vanishing. Your performance is dying slowly. Big tech companies never deal with this. Want to know their secret? Cron jobs. Your competition is already doing this. Their servers run smoother. Load faster. Never crash unexpectedly. You're still doing maintenance manually. Wasting hours every week. Missing critical updates. Playing catch up constantly. This changes everything for you. Cron jobs speak in a simple language. Star asterisk star asterisk star. That means every minute. 02 star star star. That's daily at 2 a.m. Want automatic log cleanup? Write one line of code. Cron handles the rest. Forever. Database optimization taking forever? Schedule it weekly. Runs automatically. Never forget again. Security updates stressing you out? Automate the entire process. Sleep peacefully knowing you're protected. Here's the insane part. Most developers don't know this exists. They're burning out doing repetitive tasks. You'll be automating everything. Disk cleanup becomes effortless. System monitoring runs constantly. Performance optimization happens automatically. Backup schedules never get missed. Your servers will run like clockwork. Literally. The best admins are lazy. They automate boring tasks. Focus on interesting challenges instead. Temperature monitoring every 5 minutes. Automatic email alerts for failures. Log rotation before disk fills up. Service restarts when memory peaks. This is next level server management. Your uptime will skyrocket. Performance issues disappear overnight. Maintenance becomes invisible background work. Big companies have entire teams just writing cron jobs, automating everything possible. Now you have the same power. Start with simple tasks. Log cleanup runs daily. System updates weekly. Gradually automate more complex workflows. Your future self will thank you. No more 3 a.m. emergency calls. No more weekend maintenance marathons. Servers that heal themselves automatically. Problems solved before you notice. That's the power of Cron. Most admins discover this too late. After years of manual drudgery. You're getting the shortcut now. Your productivity will explode overnight. Boring tasks disappear forever. Focus shifts to creative challenges. This isn't just automation. It's professional transformation. Welcome to effortless server management. But there's something even more powerful. Something that makes cron jobs look basic. The monitoring system that predicts failures before they happen. That's tomorrow's revelation.